In today's video, you will learn how to apply filters in CapCut PC. Filters are one of the fastest ways to completely change the look and mood of your video without needing advanced color grading skills. They can help make footage look more cinematic, vibrant, dramatic, warm, cool, vintage, or professional with just a few adjustments. Whether you are editing YouTube videos, vlogs, gaming content, travel clips, or short-form videos, filters can instantly improve the overall visual style of your project. To begin, import your footage and place it onto the timeline. Once your clip is ready, select the specific video clip you want to edit so the adjustment settings become available. After selecting the clip, look for the Filters tab in the editing panel. This section contains a wide variety of preset filters designed for different editing styles and moods. You will notice there are many categories available ranging from vintage looks and cinematic styles to modern social media-inspired filters. Each filter changes the colors, contrast, lighting, and overall tone of your footage in a different way. Spend a little time previewing the available options to see which one fits your content best. Once you find a filter you like, drag it directly over your footage on the timeline. The filter will immediately apply to your video, allowing you to preview the changes in real time. Some filters are more subtle, while others create a much stronger visual effect. If the filter feels too intense or not strong enough, you can easily adjust it using the intensity slider located in the right side panel. Lowering the intensity creates a softer and more natural look, while increasing it makes the effect more noticeable and dramatic. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune the style so it matches the exact mood you want for your project. You can also control how long the filter stays active by dragging the edges of the filter layer in the timeline. This is useful if you only want the effect applied during specific sections of your video. Another feature available in CapCut is the ability to layer multiple filters together. This can create unique visual styles, but it is important to use moderation. Applying too many strong filters at once can make footage look overly processed or distracting. In most cases, subtle adjustments create cleaner and more professional results. As you make changes, continue previewing your video to see how the filters affect the overall look and feel of your footage. Once you are happy with the final appearance, your filter setup is complete. And that is how you apply filters in CapCut PC to create more polished and visually appealing videos.